If you're tired of obstacles holding you back, then you need these tips to conquer them quickly. Let's dive in. First up, break it down. Big challenges can be overwhelming. Split them into smaller, manageable tasks. Each small win builds momentum. Next, stay positive. Your mindset is your secret weapon. Believe you can overcome anything and you'll find a way. Also, seek support. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Friends, family, or mentors can offer valuable advice and encouragement. Another tip: take action. Even small steps forward are better than standing still. Movement creates progress, and progress is key. Finally, learn and adapt. Every challenge has a lesson. Use what you learn to tackle the next one even better. Remember, challenges are just stepping stones to success. You've got this. Keep pushing forward. Like, subscribe, and share for more quick tips. See you next time.